In today's video, I am solving question number 1 of problems 19.2 of B.S. Grewal textbook. First question. Okay, we need to prove this value is equal to 1. First of all, cos theta plus I sin theta all power n is equal to, we can write as cos n theta plus I sin n theta. This is a result. And also cos theta plus I sin theta all power minus n is cos minus n theta. Cos of minus n theta is cos n theta itself. Plus I sin of minus n theta is minus sin theta. So this is minus I sin n theta. So remember these two properties for solving this question. Now we can write as this is cos phi theta minus I sin phi theta. So this is cos theta plus I sin theta all power minus 5. This is minus. So all power minus 5. And minus 5 into 2, this is minus 10. We can write this as this. Since these two properties holds. Also, the next term, we can take this cos theta plus I sin theta all power 7. And this is already there is 3. This is cos theta plus I sin theta all power 3 minus 3 into 7 is minus 21. And this is take minus 4, that is cos theta plus I sin theta all power minus 4 into 9, that is minus 36. And this is cos theta plus I sin theta itself all power 5. Now add this power. This is all are cos theta plus I sin theta. All terms are cos theta plus I sin theta with the different powers. So add the powers. This is minus 10 minus 21, that means minus 31. And minus 36 plus 5 is again minus 31. That means these are same value. So this is equal to 1. Hence proved. Now the second question. This is cos alpha plus I sin alpha all power 4 and sin beta plus I cos beta all power 5, and this is equal to this value. Noticing the values, this is sin of 4 alpha plus 5 beta. So something related to sin of x plus y and cos of x plus y we get from here. Now using the property we can solve this. Okay, cos alpha plus I sin alpha all power 4, we can write it as cos of 4 alpha plus I sin 4 alpha. And look at the denominator. This is sin beta plus I cos beta all power 5. This we cannot write as sin phi beta plus I cos phi beta, but we can take this I outside. That means I raised to 5 outside, we get sin. I outside means this is 1 by I sin beta plus cos beta all power 5. 1 by I is minus I and I raised to 5. We know that I is square minus 1, cube minus I, raised to 4, 1 and 5 repeats is equal to I. So this is I. So this is equal to cos 4 alpha plus I sin 4 beta, 4 alpha divided by, this is I. 1 by I is minus I. So minus I sin beta plus cos beta. That means cos beta minus I sin beta all power 5. Okay. So this we can write Now applying the property cos 4 alpha plus I sin 4 alpha divided by I into cos 5 beta minus I sin 5 beta. Okay. Now we can multiply conjugate of denominator in numerator and denominator. So this we get multiplying the conjugate of denominator, that is cos 4 alpha plus I sin 4 alpha into cos 5 beta plus I sin 5 beta. And I 1 by I is minus I, so this is minus I. Now cos 5 beta minus I sin 5 beta into cos 5 beta plus I sin 5 beta. Into its conjugate cos 5 beta plus I sin 5 beta. So this is equal to minus I cos 4 alpha cos 5 beta plus I sin 4 alpha cos 5 beta plus I sin 5 beta cos 4 alpha, and I minus 1 minus sin 4 alpha sin 5 beta. This is in the numerator, and denominator is, this is a minus ib into a plus ib. A minus ib into a plus ib is a square plus b square. That means cos square 5 beta plus sin square 5 beta. This is 1. We know that cos square x plus sin square x is always 1 for all x. So this is 1. Now in denominator, notice that cos 4 alpha cos 5 beta minus sin 4 alpha sin 5 beta. We know the formula of cos a plus b and sin a plus b. Cos a minus b, sin a minus b, everything. This is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. That means cos a plus b. So this is minus I cos of 4 alpha plus 5 beta. And minus I is common to both the terms. Next term is I sin 4 alpha cos 5 beta, I sin 5 beta cos 4 alpha. That means cos A sin B plus sin A cos B. Cos A sin B plus sin A cos B is sin A plus B. That means plus I sin 4 alpha plus 5 beta. And denominator is 1. So here we get, this is sin 4 alpha plus 5 beta and minus I square minus 1 and minus plus. So this is sin 4 alpha plus 5 beta. 5 beta and minus I cos 4 alpha plus 5 beta. So we get the result. This is the answer, hence the proof. Third question, cos theta plus I sin theta all power 4 divided by sin theta plus I cos theta, which is equal to cos 8 theta plus I sin 8 theta. I think this is 4 is misplaced. So this is the question. Now by the property cos theta plus I sin theta all power 4, we can write it as cos 4 theta plus I sin 4 theta. and denominator is in the form sin theta plus I cos theta. So take I outside. So we get I outside means all power 4. So I raised to 4 outside. Now 1 by I sin theta. 1 by I sin theta plus cos theta. All power 4. Now this is equal to cos 4 theta plus I sin 4 theta divided by I raised to 4 is 1 and 1 by I is minus I. So this is cos theta minus I sin theta all power 4. So by the property now we can write as cos 4 theta plus I sin 4 theta divided by cos 4 theta minus I sin 4 theta. Now multiply with the conjugate of denominator. Multiply and divide. So we can do here. This is cos 4 theta plus I sin 4 theta divided by cos 4 theta plus I sin 4 theta. So we get multiplying each term cos 4 theta into cos 4 theta. This is cos square 4 theta plus I sin 4 theta into cos 4 theta and plus I again cos 4 theta I sin 4 theta sin 4 theta and I sin 4 theta, I sin 4 theta. That means minus sin square 4 theta and divided by, this is a minus ib, a plus ib. That means a square cos square 4 theta plus b square sin square 4 theta. We know that this is equal to 1. Cos square 4 theta plus sin square 4 theta is 1. And the denominator and numerator is, look at the term cos square 4 theta minus sin square 4 theta. We know that cos square theta minus sin square theta equal to cos 2 theta. This is the formula of cos 2 theta. So this is cos 2 theta. Theta is 4 theta. And this is I is common plus I common. Sin 4 theta, cos 4 theta, sin 4 theta, cos 4 theta. So 2 sin 4 theta, cos 4 theta. Also we know that 2 sin theta, cos theta is sin 2 theta. So this is, denominator is 1. So this is cos 8 theta plus I sin 2 into 4 theta, that means 8 theta. So cos 8 theta plus I sin 8 theta is the answer.